to hide and unhide Snapchat charms. So if you want to hide or unhide certain charms in Snapchat, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Snapchat from where you will be able to explore or take various Snapchat photos or videos. If you tap over the chat in the left bottom corner, you'll be able to see all of your conversations with your friends. You just have to open up to a profile of some friends of whom you want to hide or unhide the charms. So this is the profile of my friend. You have to scroll down a button where you'll be able to see the charms. So here are various charms of birthday and many more. So if you want to hide charms, then you just can tap over any of the charm, and you can see there is a 3.8 vertical line at the right of the corner. Simply tap over there, and here is hide charm option. You just can tap over hide and you can go for hide, and simply after doing that, the charm will be hidden. You can see over here. So this is how you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.